Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple satellite splitter, often overlooked and discarded, into a powerful working TV antenna. You might think it's only good for splitting signals, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new purpose. Next, I'm taking an orange and a blue electrical wire. I'll strip a small section of the insulation from each end of both wires. This exposed copper is crucial because it will allow us to create electrical contact points. This consolidates the fine wires into a single, more robust conductor, making it easier to work with during soldering and preventing any stray strands from causing short circuits. Now, I'm applying some soldering paste to the twisted wire ends. This paste cleans the metal and helps the solder adhere better, creating a much stronger and more reliable connection. I'm using a handy setup here with some clothespins to hold a small metal piece in place. Following that, I'll use my soldering iron to carefully tin both ends of the wires. Tinning adds a thin layer of solder, making subsequent connections much easier and more reliable. I repeated the tinning process with the remaining blue wire. This thorough preparation is key to ensuring strong electrical conductivity for our project. Next, I'm introducing a standard AA battery. This will be the power source for our ingenious device. I'm applying flux to both ends of the battery. This helps prepare the surface for soldering, ensuring the connections will be strong and the current will flow efficiently. I'll secure it onto a binder clip assembly, which serves as a makeshift battery holder and also provides convenient points for soldering connections. Similar to the connecting wires, I started tinning this battery at both terminals of the battery. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the battery still held by the clip, I'm now soldering the orange wire to the negative terminal of the battery. This establishes the negative connection for our circuit. And now for the positive connection. I'm soldering the blue wire to the positive terminal of the battery. This completes the power circuit for our new antenna. Here you can see the battery connected to the wires. It's a simple setup, but it's essential for getting our antenna to work. The battery provides the small voltage needed to power the splitter circuit. Now, I'm preparing the ends of the blue and orange wires again by stripping a bit more insulation and twisting the copper strands. This ensures they'll make good contact with the satellite splitter. I'm connecting the orange and blue wires from the battery assembly directly to the input ports of the satellite splitter. This is where the splitter begins to receive power for its internal components, which will be essential for amplifying the signal. Next up, I'm grabbing a coaxial cable. This is the standard cable used for connecting antennas to TVs, and we'll be modifying it to complete our antenna. I'm stripping one end of the coaxial cable very carefully using a utility knife. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. The goal is to expose the inner conductor and the braided shielding, as these are the parts that will connect to our F connector. To secure the F connector and ensure no signal loss, I'm wrapping electrical tape around the connection point. This also helps prevent any short circuits and keeps everything tidy. Now for the main connection. I'm carefully screwing the prepared coaxial cable with its F connector into one of the output ports of the satellite splitter. This is the output that will carry the amplified signal to our TV. I'm preparing the other end of the coaxial cable now, again stripping it to expose the inner conductor and shielding. This end will connect to our TV. This time, I'm attaching a right-angle F connector to the end of the cable. The right-angle design is incredibly practical, especially if your TV's antenna port is in a tight spot, making the connection much neater and less prone to bending the cable. Just like before, I'm wrapping this connection with electrical tape for insulation and to ensure the connector stays firmly in place, preventing any accidental disconnections or signal interference. And there you have it, our completely homemade, battery-powered TV antenna, built from a simple satellite splitter and a few other components. Pretty cool, right? Now for the moment of truth. You can see my TV screen currently showing no signal, which is what we expect with no antenna connected. But watch what happens as I connect our homemade antenna to the TV's coaxial input. Instantly, the screen bursts to life with a clear, vibrant picture. It's absolutely amazing what a simple DIY project can achieve. I'm now changing channels to show you that it's picking up multiple broadcasts with clear picture and sound. This isn't just a fluke. It's a fully working antenna. There's no more pixelation, no frustrating no signal messages. Just pure, uninterrupted broadcast entertainment. This little device truly works wonders, bringing in all these channels beautifully. Just to truly underscore its effectiveness, I'm going to unplug our homemade antenna. And there it goes. No signal once again. This vividly demonstrates that our simple device is indeed doing all the heavy lifting for reception. Now, let's plug it back in one more time. And just like magic, the picture instantly returns, perfectly clear and stable. This homemade antenna is definitely a game changer. Crystal clear reception, bringing in all these channels. Who knew a coaxial splitter and a battery could be so powerful? Changing channels effortlessly. Enjoying broadcast television without any subscriptions or complicated setups. This is truly freeing. Our incredible, multifunctional antenna, ingeniously crafted from a simple coaxial splitter and a battery. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and some basic components, you can achieve amazing things and save money. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected devices you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.